Welcome to Ilera City, a haven of nature and wellness, located near YABA College of Technology and Epe Toge in Isiwo Epe Toge. This remarkable opportunity allows you to buy, build, and live in. The land is 100% dry and comes with a registered survey with a certificate of occupancy in process. Features include electricity and upcoming facilities. Take advantage in the limited time promo price of 1.2 million naira and the actual price of 1.5 million naira. Begin with an initial payment of 200,000 naira and spread balance over 6 to 12 months. For further inquiries, call or WhatsApp is 0813 693 2106. I am Fortune O. Dada, your lead property consultant. Thank you for your interest.